Kane. Hi, Kane. What you doing? What you doing, Kane? What you doing? Are you doing tummy time? What you see there? What you doing? Did you just roll over a second ago? I roll from my front to my back. Can you do it again? Look at this. Look, Kane. Look. Look. You want it? You want the owl? What you think about that, huh? What you think? What'd you think, huh? Think you might want to drool a little bit? Yeah? Mwah! Mwah! What'd you think? What'd you think, huh? Oh, here we go. You can do it. Mommy better be quiet. No? You can do it, baby. What you doing? You giving the baby a kiss? Mr. Big's gonna help you. You want me to help? Mommy will help. You ready? Try this way? Let's try this way. Yay! Good job, Kane. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job, baby.